Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to show you what's inside my $1,200 portfolio. I'm going to show you what stocks I bought since the last video, and I'm going to show you my dividends for May and the pending dividends for June. So let's get started. As you can see, guys, today I am up $17 for the week. We're up $68. I'm up $121 for the month. $96 in the past 3 months, $98 in the past year, and total since August 2017, we are up 75% or $539. Now, some of these stocks that I'm going to go over, a lot of you may not have heard of. I like to invest most of my money into REITs or real estate investment trusts, which pay their shareholders 90% of their income. I also like dividend producing stocks like Coca-Cola, and that's probably the one that you would probably know the most, GM, AT&T, stuff like that pay dividends. Now, a lot of these stocks pay monthly dividends, and most of them, quite a few of them, pay quarterly dividends. I believe I only have 2 stocks out of my 32 stocks now that don't pay dividends. So let's go ahead and look at some of these now. So right off the bat, first company I own is IVR. I have 5 shares, and they're actually up 23% today alone. I also own CPRX, 4 shares of that, and we're slightly down today. NAT, 10 shares of that, and with a small, almost 1% down today. TWO is the next company, and we're up 8% for the day. AUY, which is a gold company, I have 8 shares, and we're up slightly 0.2%. WSR, we are up 11% today. GLAD, or GLAD, 10 shares of that, and we're up 3% today. NRZ, we're up 4.8%. LADR, we are up 3%. ARI, I am currently up 7% today. APLE, we're up 4%. CHY, we're down slightly 2%. GAN, we're down about a half a point. UMPQ, we're up 3%. AGNC, up 4.7% today. STWD, we are up 1.3%. RVLV, up 3.5%. STOR, up 2.7%. IRM, we're up 2.3%. GM, we're up 0.5%. Stage, we're down about 0.5%. T, we're up almost 1%. And as you can see, we have Main, PFE, LTC, HIG, which is up 5% today, AN, WTRG, MU, KO, AMD, O, GIS, and INTC. Now, these are the companies I own in my portfolio. If you have any questions on them or would like me to do a more in-depth video on one of these stocks, leave a comment below and I will make that video for you. Now, let's talk about what I bought since the last video. Now, my last video I published on May 27th talking about my $900 portfolio. I'll leave a card up below so you could watch it. But for all of you that are tuning in and have been watching my portfolio videos and subscribed to my channel, this is what I've bought since that day. I bought GM at $27.60 on the 28th. I bought General Mills for $61.93, also on the 28th. I purchased AMD for $52.12 on the 28th. And I bought another share of Revolve Group for $13.79. Now, I did already have Revolve Group in my portfolio. Ticker symbol is RVLV, but I did add a share to that, so I thought it'd be worth mentioning. On June 2nd, I added STAG or Stag Industrial for $27.43. I also bought Essential Utilities on June 2nd for $44.25. I also purchased 5 hours ago, which was today, more shares of NAT or Nordic American Tankers. I bought 5 shares at $4.35 because I did notice there was a tremendous dip. I was down about 7% on this company, and now I am only down let's see the total on that. I bought 10 shares, which brought my average cost per share significantly down. And that being said, I now have an average cost of $4.53, and I'm only down 2.87%. Now, earlier it was 7%. I bought the dip right around this mark somewhere. Let's see, to be more specific, I bought it at $4.35, and I originally purchased 5 shares at $4.71. So it brought my average down from $4.71 a share to $4.53 per share, which is not bad. This company also pays a dividend of 14 cents per share, so I will be getting 70 cents on June 5th. And now that I added 5 more shares, I'll get $1.40 on their next payout. Now this company is showing positive earnings per share. Looks like it's right around 27 cents per share. And it's just an overall nice small company. Well, not a small company, but it's a nice company you could buy for a small amount of money at only $4.40 currently per share. 57% of analysts say to buy, and 41,000 people on Robinhood own shares of this company. They have a dividend yield of 9.6%. And a P ratio, it looks like they're floating around roughly 29. Not too bad. Now, if we go over to my account here, I'm going to show you our dividends. And what we have for May, we have 16 cents from AGNC, 23 cents from Realty Income, 21 cents from Main Street Capital, 9 cents from Calamus Convertible and High Income Fund, that's the CHY ticker symbol, 35 cents from Gladstone Investments, 65 cents from Gladstone Capital, and 19 cents from LTC Properties. Now that is for my May 29th dividends. June here, we have Nordic American Tanker, 70 cents on June 5th. AGNC Investments for 12 cents on the 9th. On June 12th, Whitestone REIT will be paying 4 cents. Main Street Capital will be paying me 21 cents on the 15th of June. Realty Income will be paying 23 cents on June 15th. And I'll be getting $2.50 from Invesco Mortgage Capital, or ticker symbol IVR. They are currently paying 50 cents per share on this company. July, I have a sneak peek here on the 2nd from Hartford Financial, ticker symbol HIG, for 33 cents. Now, if we go over to our account here, as you can see, 99.28% is in stocks and options, and I have roughly 1% in cash. I like to keep my cash low for the simple fact that Robinhood won't take a small percentage of that money. Now, they do take a small percentage of your money you're holding in your account. I'm not sure what the percentage is, if it's a half a point, if it's 1 point, but I like to keep my cash low because I like to invest my money. Now, if I could have invested that $9 today, I would have, but I did not see an opportunity to buy. Now, another cool way to look at my portfolio here, I like to do prices of the shares from low to high. As you can see, the average cost, how many shares I own, the name of the stock, and also the symbol of the stock company I'll be talking about. You could also see the total return here and the equity involved. And as you can see, owning 5 shares at an average cost of $2.68, I am up with a total return of $5, which brings my equity to $18.40. So as I talk, we're going to go through this list a little bit and just go over some more of the shares and the prices and the stock prices. As you can see, CPRX, I am down slightly $1. Nordic American Tanker, I'm down about $1.30. Yamaha Gold, I'm down 12 cents, but 12 cents on a $40 equity is not bad at all. I am up $1.22 on TWO, or Two Harbor Investments. I'm up $12 on Gladstone Capital. I have a total return of $1.61 from Whitestone REIT. I have a $7 return on NRZ. Almost $2 on Ladder Capital. $2 on Apollo Commercial Real Estate. $1 on Calamus Convertible and High Yield Fund. $7 on Gladstone Investment. Up almost $2.50 on Apple Hospitality REIT. $1.25 on Umpqua. $1.71 on AG&C Investments. I am up $20.68 on Starwood Property Trust. Average share price is $11.77. Current share price is $15.91 for a total equity of just shy of $80. This by far is probably my greatest return on any of the stocks in this portfolio. Revolve Group, I am up $5. Store Capital up $5. Stag Industrial, only about 18 cents up. Iron Mountain, I'm up $5. GM, I'm up $1.63. AT&T, I'm up $1. Main Street Capital, I'm up $6. Pfizer, I'm down about $1.50. LTC Properties, I'm up $7.30. AutoNation, I'm up $7.32. Hartford Financial, I'm up $7.30. Essential Utilities, I did just add this company a day or two ago, and I'm only up about $0.25. Coca-Cola, I'm up $1. Micron Technology, I'm up $5. AMD, a half a dollar. Realty Income, I am up $11.18. General Mills, I am down about $1. And Intel, I'm up about 22 cents. Now, Intel is my largest share price for a stock, and I do believe Gladstone Investments is my largest position I'm holding currently at $113. Now, I really enjoy investing in these companies that people have not necessarily heard of before. I like to find companies under the radar and not necessarily getting all the publicity and attention that they deserve. I like to find these companies and do research on them. I have a ton of videos that I have strong buy analytics for, and I'll leave a playlist up here above so you can click on it. Anything from Verizon to Gladstone, all the way over to even MU and Visa credit cards. So I have a ton of videos that are still a strong buy today. I only do videos on strong buys. I believe in these companies, and I know that in the long term you can make a lot of money from them. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button and leave a comment below saying that you enjoyed it. We're actually 2 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers on this channel. And guys, it has been a journey. I've been doing this since August 11th, 2017. That was the first day I started investing in my Robinhood account. And it's also the very first video that I put out on the YouTube channel here. So if you want to follow my journey from zero to $100,000, be my guest and subscribe. Click the little bell for more notifications. And again, guys, I appreciate you spending your time watching this video with me today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget that you can always follow me on Facebook, Investing for Beginners group, and I also have a page. We have over 5,000 members in Facebook, tons of people from all different kinds of backgrounds and countries that like to share your same interest and talk about the stock market and how they can make money. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay inside and stay safe.